The global tissue repair market exceeds $19 billion, yet most repairs still rely on holding tissue in place. But the real problem is what happens after fixation. Tendon retraction, force concentration, tissue strangulation, rip-through, and loss of compression over time. Today's anchor and suture systems are designed to hold tissue, while the real challenge is actively managing tendon contraction and distribute load across healing tissue. Ziptek changes that. Our patented, FDA-cleared technology introduces a new biomechanical layer, controlled tendon-side compression with force load distribution and progressive tissue remodeling. Rather than resisting tendon behavior, ZipE works with healing biology, helping manage retraction forces while reducing localized stress concentrations that contribute to repair failure. With more than 500 procedures performed to date, Ziptek is not creating another anchor. We are redefining tissue repair by managing tendon retraction and load distribution.